Hey guys, what's going on? Thank you so much for watching. So today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your keyboard from your computer. I do have an ROG G20CB, which is one of the most powerful and expensive computers that Asus makes. That's the computer I use for gaming and streaming and do all my YouTube stuff, all my video editing. So right here is the back of the keyboard. I'm gonna take my GoPro, put it on my mount, pretty much work through it, and then I will do some commentary while after post. So take a look. This is how I do it. I take this out first. You see? Hold this, put it in your mouth. Voila, let's go. Okay, guys. So I already took all these out. Okay. Wow, this is about right here. See? Nothing. So you can take this out. Here, where this right? Yeah. This right here needs to get clean. Not this. Don't worry about it. It's gonna fit. Clean. This needs to get clean. And okay. So we got let's do it. Okay guys, I think I got everything together. So now that everything is clean and everything is where it's supposed to be, put everything back together. Okay, reverse mode. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put our connector. So this right here is gonna be your connection between the board and your actual keys. Okay, so you gotta make sure you put it in the right way. Okay, and make sure that everything sits flat all the way down. Okay, so you don't want to have any keys press or pressing against the plastic. You want to make sure that all of this is flush. See? Let me show you with the camera. So this is how I do it. Okay, see? Everything is flush. And there's some over there that they're not flush, but I'm gonna fix right now. Looks great, guys. Now I'm gonna put some of the hardware on, and then after that we're gonna go for the back piece. Okay, stay with me. It's kind of tricky, but it's not that difficult. Okay, tricky but not difficult. Perfect. I love when everything sits perfect, you know? Because you don't want to do something for you, just, you know, like push things down. You want to make sure that you take care of yourself the same way you should take care of a customer. Let me adjust the camera real quick. Sorry, guys. I know, guys. Sorry. I got you. Okay. So yeah, I still missing a couple of these bolts, screws, and but I'm gonna find them and then I'm gonna put all of them together. Okay? Because you don't want to leave one screw out. Because one screw that you leave, you know, these screws are here with a purpose. Okay? When the manufacturer makes these parts and put so many screws, it's not because they want to put, you know, extra stuff where, you know, where they don't be, that you need that support where the manufacturer puts them, believe me, and that can lead to you know, problem with the hardware down the road if you don't use everything that they tell you that you got to use. Maybe in this case, the keyboard, maybe one day you're working and then one of the keys will stop functioning, and you're like, what's going on? And you cannot remember that 6 months ago you were working on that keyboard and you missed a couple of these screws. So make sure you have all the screws, and if you don't have them, go to any hardware store like Home Depot where I work. Love it. And just get a sample and go there, buy some more, and have it available, readily available. Okay. You can go to your local Radio Shack if they still open, which I doubt it. The Radio Shack closed or something. Let me see how many I'm missing. I'm missing one. I think I found it. I think I found all of them. No way. Yeah, I got all of them. Yeah, I'm gonna show it to you. I'm not BSing you guys. I'm gonna show it to you. I found all of them. So, oops, for the little blooper. But I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, guys. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See it? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Boom. We're gonna test it now, and then we're gonna post the review. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon.